another jacket ruined. Come on.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm pissed.
That's more important.
No, it's not. Ah! The rails they put in are absolutely nuts right now. So Ben's giving me some tips in the pipe. My toe side airs are pretty good. Heel side are garbage. That's what we're working on. Are you kidding me right now? So sick, dude. What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Copper. We're gonna be riding a lot of Copper unless we go on a trip, because I don't know, it's like the easiest for us to get here. It's got the best park, and today we're riding Main Park. Gonna be hitting jumps all day. Benson wants to go off on some crazy rails today. He's not even feeling jumps. I'm sure he'll find a backflip somewhere. But overall, today's gonna be a sick day. So like the video, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into this. Hi, Mom. Another jacket ruined. Come on.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm pissed.
That's more important.
No, it's not. Ah! It's the only downside to rocking yellow, which is like my favorite color to wear when I'm riding. You fall on a rail, you ruin the jacket. I'm so mad. The thing that I'm most upset about is I've already replaced this jacket for the same reason. Last time I put a rip in it. But hopefully this could wash out. I'm gonna wash it.
It could just be some rail grease.
It is rail grease. That's what it is. You fall on a rail, you get rail grease, but it never washes out, ever. Yellow jacket number 2.
I don't know a limit, chasing a dream. I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eating. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing the service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been dad. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke stream from my chest out.
Dude, jump 4 is massive.
Isn't it?
It makes me just smile.
Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is lit, take a breath. That's it. Now it's wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. Chime in. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Landlocked, too bad for him. And they liable to talk, but it's mad.
The rails they put in are absolutely nuts right now.
Spin games, something mad, yes, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it.
What up, dude?
What's up, man? Yeah, I got your sticker on there.
Let's go!
I'm independent, I'm in the building. Look what we built it. It feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond. spun, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is lit, take a breath. That's it. Now it's wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. Chime in.
All right, guys, we're feeling good, even though the sun kind of went away. We're in some flat light. The jumps, Copper's got some money jumps. We're gonna be hitting these hard the next couple days, weeks, whatnot. We are going to Highland on Friday and Saturday.
No, just Friday.
Well, Friday, yeah, sorry. We're going to Minnesota. We're adding Buck Hill, Highland, and then Elm on Saturday. And yeah, overall, it's gonna be sick. We still got a couple more trips in here, but I'm just excited to be spinning some big jumps. Benton just crushed the pipe. I don't know how, because you couldn't see anything. Can you see anything?
I can't see nothing.
I don't see any jumps. I see rails.
I see a couple flags out there.
It's so flat. Are you kidding me right now? So sick, dude, in flat light.
I couldn't see. I got in the air and I was like, dude, what is around me?
It was so clean, too. Off the toes to the toes.
Oh, dude.
If you guys didn't know, he did a off the toes front 10, which is gnarly.
Oh. Ooh. Front 10.
Oh my God.
Off the toes.
Let's go.
Off the toes.
All right, we all know Benton's good at snowboarding, but Benton's getting way better than good at snowboarding right now, and that's so sick, dude. You know what else is off the toes, though? Today's sticker shout out. We got Copper the Keeper with the forest green evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for snagging the sticker. And then we also got Lopez Last King Omar, I think, with the white sticker on the helmet. Also looking so sick, guys. Thank you for snagging the merch, supporting the dream. I would not be able to make snowboard videos for a living if it wasn't for you guys. So if you want to snag an evolution sticker or any of our merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of them, tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also, if you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out on the bonus extra content. So if you were following my Instagram, you know we were riding at Copper, Ben's throwing front 10s off the toes. You can come take some laps with us. We always are cool with you guys coming and hanging out. So follow my Instagram, know where I'm riding, and then get bonus extra content. But lastly, follow my TikTok, because TikTok's kind of a thing now. So you guys kind of have, like, I need some TikTok followers. And then Benton and me are at a TikTok competition. So you can follow Benton's TikTok right here, and then you can follow my TikTok right here. First to 10,000 wins, and I'm trying to beat Benton to 10,000 followers on TikTok. So follow those TikToks.
I know that Johnathan just put his own name right there, so.
All right, we're a little bummed. The flat light's kind of making the jumps a lot harder. The fact that Benton landed that front 10 off the toes with the flat light is incredible. But other than that, we're still crushing it. The rails they've built this today, they're new. I don't know if they built them today or yesterday, I don't know.
They're insane.
They're nuts. And of course I'm on the new camber snowboard, and I'm like super uncomfortable on rails still with it. As you can tell, like, when I belly flopped the first. Anyways. Yeah, so we're gonna just keep, today's just fun. Like, nothing crazy other than your 10 toes.
10 toes.
Other than that, it's just like, it's just fun.
Nice.
So Ben's giving me some tips in the pipe. My toe side airs are pretty good. Heel side are garbage. So that's what we're working on. And, yeah. Benton's literally in flow state right now. He's like clipping rails. I think he can't fall, dude. All right, no catching an edge at the bottom. Last time he rode that good, he knocked himself out. That was insane. So remember when I said it was a mellow day other than Ben's? Like Ben's just, he's taking it to a level that I'm not trying to get to today, dude. Chill. Dylan said, what'd you say?
I said, Benton the Builder brought some hammers today.
Multiple. Dude, who are you? You don't normally ride like this. What are you doing?
Most of those tricks were actually switch.
And brand new.
And brand new.
The one, I've never met any human on the planet that can just hug a brand new trick like Benton can and do it like proper and land it. And then you ask him to do it again and he normally can't. Yeah.
First tee.
It's good. It's so funny. But all right, that's how today's going. So
Fun day Monday.
I hate you. I can't tell you how different waterfall rails feel on a camber snowboard than like the newly board I was on. It's so different. I told you, I can't tell you. Benton, did you crush today? I'm really proud of you.
Thanks, man.
You don't always ride that good, but when you do, it's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Today was definitely a sick one though. I just like getting out, hitting some big jumps, spin some big jumps. I wish the weather held up for us, but tomorrow is gonna be a bluebird sunny day. And so we'll get some big spins going on those jumps. I can't talk right now. We got to park in style today. The only downside to today is ruining my jacket. Hopefully it washes out. I'm gonna try my best. But I don't have a wash and dryer at my place. I use the laundromat. So probably won't see that jacket for a minute until we go to the laundromat. Or if I never get it washed out. I don't know, it's not that big of a deal to most people. But we're out here making internet videos. You know, I'm trying to not look dirty. I'm trying to present myself a certain way. So that's why that's a big deal. You can ask Benton too. I hate getting dirty and that type of stuff is just not my style. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I don't got much to say. This was a long video. This was a fun day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video because you're subscribed.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger.